What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you the third and last video of the 2024 Can-Am that we just got wrapped up. It's a Spyder, it's a limited. First, we did a full system with front rear speakers with an amp, and then our client came back and decided he wanted to do 10-inch jail subs. So we built enclosures in either side of the side door pack. Thing came out awesome. You can hear the difference. Absolute ton of bass, more than what we thought we were able to get out of this thing. So let you guys listen to it, and then I'll walk up. I'll show you how we did it real quick.
For the ones that load bust down and down, then you say chronics in the ear. Get up, turn up and jump, get to use to have no fear, cause I don't make we overcome. Tell them get to use behavior, cause I'm sell out because them dumb. Selector, they get wheel it again. Reuse them with wise.
So what we did here, guys, we were able to put a JL sub in either side of the side saddlebag here. So we built this nice panel out of 3/4 inch MDF. We made it waterproof, and then we also did a nice piece of black ABS just to match the rest of the black bag here. Actually, this part is the enclosure. It's got this really strong seal. The back of it is actually almost like a bandpass box. We cut a slot in the back with a port on it for the sounds that come out. So again, it's a really weird setup. It's definitely different, but it works awesome. So this is the enclosure here. We have one on the other side as well. Just a ton of bass. Really happy with the way this thing turned out. You can see the other sub there. And then in the other video, you can see we have the amp along with the DSR1 processor in the front. So really, really cool project. We love the way this thing came out. It sounds absolutely ridiculous. If you guys need anything like this, please give me a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you, guys.